Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today in this video I will show you guys how you guys can easily use this dynamic island on your any Android device. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, you need to download this dynamic island app. I will provide this dynamic island app file in my description box, so download this app. And after download this app you need to give some permission, like I will show the permission. You need to give this app permission and uh, notification. Okay, notification permission, all permission you need to grant it, and you need to keep it battery saver, no restricted or battery saver recommended. Okay, just doing it. And another part is you need to do, just need go to the additional settings, then go to the accessibility and click the download app, and you need to on this. Okay, when you open this app you must need to permission this. Okay, and if I told about this app features, when I on any music I can see music notification will came into the dynamic island, and when you call someone you will show the call time on this dynamic island and record sometimes or set a timer. And when you plug your device with any charger or connect any Bluetooth device with your phone, you can see a new pop-up window will came on this dynamic island. And the app interface is so much easy to use. Just download this app and adjust your dynamic island as your phone display, and you can easily use this dynamic island as an action button. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, like the video and subscribe to my channel.